In a quiet little village lived a boy named Arjun. He was bright and full of ideas, but he carried one heavy weakness. His mind was never still. It leaped from one thought to another like a restless bird. Whenever he sat down to study or read, his attention slipped away to games, daydreaming, or his phone. His father often reminded him, Arjun, your mind is like a wild horse. If you fail to guide it, it will drag you in the wrong direction. But if you train it with discipline, it will carry you anywhere you wish to go. Arjun listened but never truly understood. One day, a wise old teacher named Guruji, famous for helping young minds, people, and achieve great success, came to the village. Arjun's father brought him to meet the teacher and explained his son's problem. Guruji smiled, picked up a small glass of water and handed it to Arjun. Walk around my garden with this, he said, and don't spill a single drop. It sounded easy enough, but as Arjun walked, the garden came alive. The birds sang, the wind stirred the leaves, and children nearby burst into laughter. Each time his eyes wandered, water spilled over the rim. By the time he returned, half the glass was gone. Why did you spill so much? Guruji asked. Arjun lowered his head. I got distracted. Guruji nodded gently. This glass is like your goal, and the water is your focus. The noise around you is the world's endless distractions. If you don't discipline your mind, you will lose your focus before you even could realize it. At that moment, something clicked inside Arjun. From then on, he began small. He woke up at the same time each day, reduced his phone usage, and gave his full attention to one task at a time. He even practiced a few minutes of meditation each morning, training his mind to stay calm and steady. At first, it was frustrating. His thoughts still wandered, but he kept pulling them back again and again. Slowly, he noticed something changed. His mind sharpened, his grades improved, and his confidence grew as well. A year later, a national competition was announced. Students from across the country had to solve complex problems under strict time limitations. Arjun entered. The questions were tough. Many panicked, but Arjun remained calm. He tackled one problem at a time, remembering Guruji's lesson. When the results were declared, Arjun had won. The crowd cheered, his father beamed with pride, and Guruji's smile said it all. Arjun had learned the greatest lesson of his life from Guruji. From that day, he was no longer just the boy who couldn't focus. He became known as the boy who mastered his mind. And remember this, a disciplined mind is more powerful than talent, luck, or intelligence. Your own journey of success begins the moment you decide to train your mind. Why not to start today?